Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subject Zoology. Second year pre-medical. Topic name is liver as a homeostatic organ. The largest internal organ and gland of body. Color is dark red. Weight of the liver is 1.5 kg. It is situated on the right side of the abdomen below the diaphragm. It is bilobed. The right lobe is larger than the left lobe. Liver. What is liver? Liver is the largest internal organ and gland of the body. The color is dark red. Weight of the liver is 1.5 kg. Liver is situated on the right side of the abdomen below the diaphragm. It is bilobed, means two-lobed. The right lobe is larger than the left lobe. Liver is form of the hepatic cells. A pear-shaped sac-like structure is called gallbladder. Gallbladder lies along the right side of the liver, where the secretion of liver is called bile. Bile is stored temporarily. Liver helps in secretion. Liver helps maintain the homeostasis by regulating the glucose storage, producing bile for the small intestine, and detoxify the body. The major homeostatic role of livers are A. Carbohydrate metabolism, B. Fat metabolism, C. Detoxification, D. Deamination and urea formation, E is the storage of vitamins, F is the breakdown of red blood cells. Before starting the major homeostatic role of liver, here some important function of liver. Pancreas and liver regulate the blood glucose level. Glucose, simple sugar, is carried from the intestine to the liver through a hepatic portal vein. In the liver, glucose may be converted to carbon dioxide and water through the cell respiration, converted into the glycogen for the storage, and last, converted into the fat to be stored as the adipose tissue, released into the bloodstream. A is the carbohydrate metabolism. Inside the liver cells, the glucose is either built up into the glycogen for the storage or breakdown in the carbon dioxide and water with the release of energy. Considerable excess of glucose is converted into the lipid. Liver plays a unique role in controlling the carbohydrate metabolism by maintaining a glucose concentration in a normal range. This is achieved by a tightly regulated system of enzymes and kinases regulating either glucose breakdown or synthesis in hepatocytes. B is fat metabolism. Number 1 is liver converted excess of carbohydrate to fats. Number 2, liver removed excess of cholesterol from the blood and breaking it down or when necessary, synthesizing it. If the glucose is in short supply, the liver cell break down fats into fatty acid and glycerol for respiration. Liver plays a central role in all metabolic processes in the body. In fat metabolism, the liver cells break down fats and produce energy. They also produce about 800 to 1000 ml of bile per day. C is the detoxification. Detox for the short. Detoxification means removal of toxins or poisons or the process of removing toxic substances. Another definition of detoxification is the process by which the toxin substances are converted into the more soluble and less toxic substances, which are mainly eliminated through the urine and bile. Liver detoxification, toxin, fat soluble, phase 1, phase 2, waste, water soluble, removed from the body, gallbladder and kidneys, bowels and urine. All the processes take place in the liver. Detoxification is a part of homeostasis and help to maintain the composition of blood in the steady state. Compounds to be detoxified including the drugs, antibiotics, cardiac drugs, steroids, poisons, chemicals, additives, pesticides. Pesticides are the substances used for the destroying insects, alcohol, nicotine. Tobacco is the example of nicotine. By absorbing them and changing them chemically, The major toxic substance is ammonia, which is converted into urea. The liver's role in detoxification is to take the toxins, many of which are fat soluble, and make them able to excrete. Sometimes this means that they need to change the toxin, so it is water soluble. Once it is water soluble, the kidneys are called to action. D. D is a deamination, removal of amino group from an amino acid or other compounds. Excess of amino acid brought to the liver through a hepatic portal vein are deaminated by the liver cells. This very important metabolic process is called deamination. In the hepatocytes, amino group quickly change into ammonia, which is highly toxic to the body. The amino group is converted to ammonia by a specific enzyme, deaminases, in the liver cells. Liver acts fast to convert the ammonia into urea that then can be excreted in the urine and eliminated from the body. Formation of urea. Deamination forms the ammonia, which is highly toxic. The ammonia enters the ornithine cycle to form a less toxic soluble urea for the excretion by the kidneys. In this process, amino acid convert into ammonia by the process of deamination and specific enzyme deaminases. Ammonia is entered into ornithine cycle, react with carbon dioxide to form urea. This figure shows the formation of urea. Ammonia enters the ornithine cycle, in which it reacts with the carbon dioxide to form urea. The urea is then shed from the liver cells into the bloodstream and taken to the kidney, which eliminate it from the body through a urine. E is the storage of vitamins. The main vitamins stored in the liver are fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. The liver also stores water-soluble vitamins B and C, especially those of B group, such as the nicotinic acid, vitamin B12, and folic acid. The liver acts as a storage site for some vitamins, minerals, and glucose. This provides a vital source of energy for the body, which the liver transforms into the glycogen for more efficient storage. The liver stores vitamins and minerals for the time when they may be lacking in the diet. F is breakdown of red blood cells. Liver is also one of the organs that break down old or damaged blood cells. As you know, red blood cells have a lifespan of about 120 days. Then they are broken down by phagocytic macrophages, special white blood cells in the liver, spleen, and bone marrow. Inside the macrophages, hemoglobin is broken down into heme and globin. Globin is broken down into amino acid. Iron is removed from the heme. Point is noted, iron is removed from the heme. The remaining part of the molecule is converted to bilirubin. Bilirubin, which is yellow and component of bile. Accumulation of bilirubin in the blood causes the jaundice. The iron may be then reused by the cells in the bone marrow to make the more hemoglobin, or the iron may be stored in the liver. Urochrome. The yellow pigments found in the urine is called urochrome. It is also derived from the breakdown of heme, but these pigments deposited into the blood and subsequently excreted by the kidney. The liver relies on a buffer system consisting of a bone marrow-derived monocytes that consume damaged red blood cells, RBCs, in the blood and settle in liver, where they become the transit macrophages capable of iron recycling. Many RBCs, red blood cells, are present in this figure. Thanks for watching.